How to fix ultra wide camera on Snapchat. So if you're facing with this problem, like if you have ultra wide camera, so if you want to cancel that camera, all you have to do is first of all open up your settings, and then under settings you will have app and notifications. Tap on that and then go and search for Snapchat and tap on that, and here you will have a bunch of options. You can tap on storage and cache, and then you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache, and this might fix your issue. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then the next step is open up your Play Store app, and then on the search bar search for Snapchat, and here see that if you have an update. So if you have an update, then you can tap on update and you can update your Snapchat. So if your Snapchat is not up to date, then you might face this kind of problem, and after updating it will work. And after updating you will have an open option. You can tap on open and you can use the Snapchat without ultra wide camera. So that's it guys, that's how you fix the ultra wide camera on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.